Hey everybody, how's it going? So I picked up a couple door sweeps from Home Depot, so please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Hey everybody, so these little door sweeps at the bottom of the door, I picked up a couple of these from Home Depot. That one's an old one. They're right here. I picked up 3 of them. It says commercial screw-on door sweep. Looks like part number is 68247. I picked up 3. 1, 2, 3. I opened one already. It comes with 4 screws. It's already like set up on the back. All you got to do is screw it in. And reason being is because I took out the carpet in this room. And this laundry room door, I want to install one on this laundry room door. I might have to cut it a little shorter, but... And then this door used to have one, and it got peeled up. So I'm going to have to hammer that door back down and then install it again. It might be a little long, I might have to trim them, but yeah, that's why I picked them up. It's just a short little video. They were like $13 a piece if I remember correctly. They weren't that bad. But please like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.